guys, thanks for watching my previous video. As promised earlier, I told you that I'll be showing you how you can get rid of the insects that attack your plants, whether be it indoor or outdoor, by neem oil solution. So I hope you remember. Well, today the video is on that topic, so I'll be showing you how to do it. Before that, I would like to tell you something about mealybugs. Mealybugs are small, tiny, white color insects which forms a cottony. What do you call it? Like which forms a cottony like appearance on the leaves of your plant. Which attacks your plant. What they do is they take out all the nutrients from the plants and they feed on them. So what happens eventually, your plant does not get the nutrients which is required for them. So that is how the plant starts drooping, the leaves of the plant starts drooping, or your plant's leaves colors get yellow eventually. So this is how it happens, like the whole scenario happens. So today I'll be showing you how to get rid of them by using the neem oil solution. So you can see here, I'll show you how they look like. These are the mealybugs. If you can see, these are white color, tiny cottony type form. See this. How can you check this is you can check beneath your leaves, you can check on the stems. There you will definitely find, if they are infected, you will definitely find these mealybugs are very common. Like what happens, like if you get any plant from the nursery and if they are infected by these mealybugs, they tend to transfer them from one plant to another. If you can see, like my erica is kept here, and if this erica overlaps those plants beneath this, so it tries to go to those plants as well. So this is how it affects the other plants as well. So it is important that you get rid of this as soon as possible whenever you see them attacking your plants. So now let's start with the video of getting rid of it, how you can do it. So this is the neem oil solution which I showed you earlier. What you have to do is you have to take this showering bottle. I have already kept 1 liter water in it, and what I'll do is I will add 10 ml of neem oil solution to it. I have taken 10 ml of neem oil solution in this cap. What I'll be doing is I'll be transferring it to this bottle. Then I will shake this bottle very well. And I will shower the plant like this. Make sure you cover each and every leaf of the plant from the back side as well as from the front. Depending on the intensity of mealybugs, you should shower your plant, and if you see there are more mealybugs, then you have to do it frequently. Guys, this not only helps you to get rid of mealybugs, but this also helps you to get rid of all the other disease and fungus from your plants. There are different benefits of this if you regularly use this in interval of time. So the benefits are, firstly, it increases the flowering growth of the plant. Secondly, it makes the leaves of the plants look more shinier. But always keep in mind that you should spray this neem oil solution only in the late evening, because the plants do all their daily process throughout the daytime, and in the evening they don't do much of their process. So it's better you should spray it in the evening. And yes, of course, the next morning when you get up and when the sun is not at its peak, you should always shower it with normal water, so that all the chemicals or the neem oil solution that you have used just get washed away from the leaves of the plant. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thanks, bye bye, see ya.